There are many tools to keep organizations compliant with various different government and corporate standards. And this is part of the objectives for the AZ-900 exam. Starting out with Azure policy, this is going to enforce organizational standards and compliance by evaluating resources against defined rules. And they can be used to restrict types of resources that can be deployed and enforce security conventions, such as ensuring backup policies are applied. Also, multi-factor authentication. Then we have Azure Cost Management and Billing. This will help you monitor, allocate, and optimize your spending across Azure as well as third-party resources. It provides budgets to set spending thresholds and receive alerts when limits are reached. There's multiple different cost management programs within Azure. Then we have Microsoft Purview. This is a very comprehensive compliance type of resource that you can get from Azure, and it contains a lot of different features. Many of the features can be found in Purview that were mentioned in this course. It's a comprehensive way to keep data secure and compliant, such as offering unified data governance, risk, compliance, data loss prevention, and more. Azure Role-Based Access Control was demonstrated in a previous video, and it manages access to Azure resources by defining who can do what and to what resource. You can assign users specific permissions to access and manage resources based on their roles. And it works alongside Azure policy using conditional access to ensure security and compliance. I've gone to purview.microsoft.com and it's going to show me the Microsoft Purview portal. And look at all these different types of solutions to keep you in compliance. I'm going to click on View All Solutions just so you can see we've got core capabilities, risk and compliance, which shows communication compliance, compliance manager, e-discovery. That will help you search for all different types of terms for regulatory compliance. And you've got data governance. Remember, that has to do with the rules of the government that you live under, as well as the corporate standards of the organization that you work. And you've got a couple of different options here, data catalog and data lifecycle management. Data lifecycle management will basically give you the ability to manage the lifecycle of your different resources. Mostly it has to do with making sure that data doesn't stick around too long that could cause a potential legal or compliance issue. Data security is one of the most popular sections of Microsoft Purview, such as data loss prevention. Data loss prevention I've used many times with clients in order to keep specific types of phrases and words from being able to be sent off to other users within the organization, but also outside of the organization to other people or other places where that data should not be released, such as social security numbers, bank account information, or credit card numbers. There's also an insider risk management area which helps secure internal users when any type of security breach has been detected by Microsoft Purview to help keep you in compliance. This is very useful for organizations that do subcontract work for other organizations or government work. It will quickly identify and take action on any type of insider risks as well as threats. It was originally created by Microsoft to monitor their own employees. And there's a knowledge center to help you learn more about compliance when it comes to Microsoft Purview. Governance and compliance ensures that organizations are compliant with all laws and rules in which they operate. For the AZ-900, Azure policy is one of the most important portions to grasp.